We all know that popular gospel singer Mercy Chinwo always wears a beret cap as her signature hairpiece. Ever wondered how this beret cap was made? Then stay tuned as we take you through the process of making a beret cap and be sure to become a professional at making this cap. Then who knows, you can also make yours and also look like this too. Stay tuned as we take you through.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be dealing on how to make a beret hat. So it's a very simple tutorial. You fold your fabric into four like a peplum, right? As if you're cutting a peplum. You fold your fabric into four. Then you take a 6 by 6. You mark 6 round like so. Mark 6 round the circle. Like so. Then you cut round. So you could decide to use a single circle, but I want to double all the circles. Like this is I already cut one circle before, so this is the base, right? This is the base for the beret hat. So this is the base. So now I'm going to cut 2 more circles. For the sides. So it's still, so this other circle, you cut it. I'll mark a 6 by 6 too, and then I'll fold it into 4 too. The way I folded the last one, fold it into 4 this way. Into 4 this way, right? And mark. Mark your 6 round. Now, after marking your 6 round, you mark 3 inches round too. So kind of like the middle of the circle. So you mark your 3 inches round too. Like so. So we'll be cutting this, both the 6-inch circle, and we'll now cut the 3-inch circle too, this way. So this is now the middle of your beret. This is the middle. So now I want to double, like I doubled the base, I also want to double this middle. So I'll be cutting another circle like so. I'll just use this one to cut it. I'll fold it into 2. Okay, this way. Okay, so I now cut. So we now have a double foundation, double base, and double midpoint. We'll put it in the middle. So now this is how it's going to be. Now you could decide, you can mark, as in you can measure your circle, that's your inner circle. I marked the beginning point so that I'll know exactly what the round head is, because this is where you put round the head. This way, this is the point that will be worn. So it's good to take a measurement. Okay. Oh, I'm taking it like I passed the point. Okay, so it's at 23 inches. So round is 23 inches, right? So we'll sew it now to the, we'll sew it to the edge, round. We'll sew the inner circle to the outer circle, round. Okay. You can push. Okay, so now we have sewn the circle round. We have sewn the two circles together. Why I doubled the circle? I want the beret to be stronger. I don't want it to be so soft like that. That's why I doubled it. So you can see how it looks. Look at how the outer part looks, right? So it looks, this is how it looks. So our beret is almost ready. Yeah? So this is how it looks. So now we need to pipe the edges. So I want to cut it. A 2-inch piping. And I measured 23 inches for the round head that time. So basically, I'll just make it 25 inches. What if there's any excess, we cut it off so that I don't take chances. So this is what we'll now use to pipe the edge. Then we'll show you how it went. Guys, so our beret is ready. See our finished product. So this is how it looks like. Ready to wear. So you can see we'll still weave the inner part and we're good to go. So this is how to make a beret. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we hope you will try making yours too.
Thanks for watching.
So, another way to do this beret is to sew the circles in, as in to sew the circles separately, one to each other separately, right? Then put it in such a way that the the right side is facing the right side in is facing the right side out, so that way by the time it's piped, you can decide to wear the beret either this way or this other way. And I feel that it's even a better option. So guys, this is how to make a beret, and I'll show you the results when we're done.
So here goes our beret. You can see how Adele's mom looks. Both outfits were made by us, and you can see how beautiful they both look. So we hope you will try yours and let us hear from you. Thank you. Bye.